I'm hoping the video pans out Monday evening. It's 3 o'clock, after 3 o'clock. I just heard that there's a train up at LP switching, and ELS 503 and 501 are sitting in Pembine right now. Now that train could be coming north, or 1221 and 502 might be coming south. I'm taking the gamble and I'm going north to see if they come south. Anyway, check out this beautiful, nice new road. Anyway, oh, I'm fairly confident we're gonna find a train now. I just went over that little overpass along US 2, and there was a guy parked there with a train horn on top of his truck. It had to have been the largest horn I've ever seen in my life. And a couple of guys running up to the bridge with the camera. So my guess would be there's a train about to come. I think we're about to catch it. Yep, there it is. Yeah, I looked down the tracks just then and I seen it. I wonder if 1221's leading or is 502. It looks like 502. Well, no, that could be 1221. Those other guys are just past where these trees are. I could step out and ruin their shot, but I won't. And it looks like maybe 1221. Let's zoom in. Yep, sure is. It sure is. We'll have to see if we can run into those guys again, because like I said, one of them has a huge train horn or some sort of horn up on his truck. Craziest thing I've ever seen. Got a good rock going on that engine, man. Of the full ultra metal cars. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you know it. We've got some mega log haulers. I'm gonna guess they're setting them off in Beecher. Empty glue car. A little bit of smart side and going back. And it looks like all those tankers they brought north, what, last month? Now coming all back south. These are the tankers that when they went north, they were not placarded. Man, I don't see any placards on them now. Sweet. Guess we'll run over to Iron Mountain and watch them come through town. It's getting almost near quote-unquote rush hour, as you could call that in the UP, rush hour. But school letting out, buses, people getting off work. It's all going down right now. There's the train horn guy right there. Look at that thing on top of that truck. Holy moly. How you'd like to hear that go, man. Guys are gonna peel out of here. Everybody's trying to get their shots. Yeah, buddy, man. Oh, they're gonna make me laugh. Oh, these guys. These funny guys. And they told me that was a P5. Same thing that's on that on 1221. I'm not gonna stop laughing. I hope I run into him again. That's too funny. Alright, let's shoot over to East Kingsford, eh? Oh man, I am still laughing. I'm still laughing a little bit at that, but they're parked up behind me over on Breen. What do you guys think of that big old train horn on that truck? I told them that Iron Mountain was a no train horn zone, but does that really apply to vehicles? Wow, that was pretty cool. We might hear it again, never know. Kind of a late meet up in Pembine. Are we gonna hear a reply back, you know, train horn battle? I guess not. Anyway, that was pretty cool, wasn't it? Big old train horn on top of that truck. Who would ever think of something like that, you know? I told them that I had bought a train horn last year, and it was nothing compared to the actual size of that one, but nonetheless, pretty cool. They had a big old air tank sitting in the back of that truck powering that thing. Should have asked them how long before you got to start that to recharge it, because man, that was pretty wild. I guess we'll head up to County O real quick. Might be kind of cool. Catch her in one more spot. Tracks are a little wet and damp from the rain we've been having, and they got a hefty train, I guess, so go up there and check that out. Quite loud. I don't know. School bus gonna stop? Oh yeah. I don't think they're going now. First time I've seen a school bus get stuck here. Gotta love these mega log haulers. Well, we may see another train this evening. Oh, I doubt it. We'll probably tie down and come through tomorrow morning. Meantime, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. hit that share button and make a comment below what you thought about that train horn on the truck. Now that was pretty cool, wasn't it?